Everyone, welcome back to the Little Group channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about Pieverse Binance Wallet Booster Campaign Phase 2. Okay, let's get started. First of all, we have to go to the Discover section, and here you can see the booster option and just click on it. And here you can see Pieverse Booster Campaign Phase 2 is ongoing and it is just started few minutes ago. So to join, we have to click on join campaign. And here you can see we have to follow on their X and repost, X post, and they have more several tasks. So just okay, let's do and complete one by one. First of all, we have to follow their X handle, and as I have already followed, so just click on verify. And next one is we have to repost and X post. So just repost it, and as I have logged in with another account, that's why I switched to main account. Just click on repost and go back to the page again and just click on verify. These are very simple and nothing to do or worry. So, and then we have to complete a quiz. Just click on complete and then click on complete now. If you have not connected to this page your wallet, you have to connect your wallet first. So here you can see a question: which statement best describe how Pieverse recommends event to you? So as I have already researched about it, the correct answer is B. It personalizes suggestions based on your interest, on-chain activity scale and availability, and can integrate with ticketing. And just click on submit quiz. So here you can see its correct answer. So just go back to the page and click on verify. It's also completed. And next one is we have to complete onboarding skill plus interest. So just click on complete now. And here you can see the portfolio task. So just click on edit. And next you have to write down about your skills. So I just simply write I have 5 years experience in web community management. You can write down anything about mesh to use, then click on next. And next one is what are your interests? So just I click on some random blockchain and crypto, marketing and growth, travel and culture, and then click on next. And here you can see you can go to Pieverse and click on complete profile. So just click on complete profile. So then go back to the page again and click on verify. Here you can see it's also verified successfully. And next one is we have to upload daily bits on chain for 5 days. So make sure you have upload 5 consecutive days. Just click on complete it. Then create a routine or a schedule. Just create a yoga title, and then you can see time has been set. So just click on create and you can change the time. Then I just change the time to complete the task. Complete code. And you can create several tasks like this, like exercise, So to complete your goal, you have to set a time before you have already set it. Here you can see as it is 3 p.m. and already 3:29, so I can update and complete the goal. So we have to upload this on scene. So to upload, click on this icon and here you can see upload on scene. Then click on upload on scene. Then click on confirm and we have to signature to complete and submit this transaction. And here you can see it's completed and it is fully feeless as they have sponsored. So we cannot verify this task right now because after completing 5 consecutive days on chain uploads we can verify it. Here you can see it is not verified now. So next one is interact with 3 event recommendations daily for 5 days. It is also for 5 consecutive days, so you should complete every day, don't miss out. So just click on complete. You can see interact with 3 event recommendation daily. So as I have already 2 created, you can create more than 3 daily. So just set another one, then click on it and reduce the time and update and click on complete the goal. Here you can see I have already created 3 and completed. So you should create 3 events for 5 consecutive days to verify this task. Here you can see it is not verified right now. So please complete this task for 5 consecutive days to verify this task. And next one is add 5 featured events to calendar. So just click on it and click on complete now. And here you can see several featured events, so you just add to your. So just click on add to calendar. So we have to add more than 5 to verify this task. So I just randomly select and add to calendar. Okay, then go back to the campaign page again and click on verify. And here you can see it is also verified successfully. And so as these 2 tasks are for 5 consecutive days, so don't miss out this opportunity to verify and complete this task every day to get huge amounts of airdrop and maximize your airdrop reward. Thank you everyone for watching. And please make sure to do subscribe our YouTube channel and follow our social handle. Thank you everyone.